All right, so today is the day. Natsumi and I are finally getting started on the process to look for an apartment. We're meeting with an agent later this afternoon, and then on Tuesday, we are going to look at a property that we've already submitted an application for with another agent. So we're getting the ball rolling, so let's go. All right, everybody, so we are taking a look at apartment number 1. This apartment is located in Yokohama, and it is a 2 LDK. So let's take a look here. It is about 60 square meters. It's dark because there is no electricity, so this is brand new. This is a brand new space, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look. All right, so this is the genkan. This is where you come in, entryway. There's a shoe storage here. Again, I apologize, it's very dark. There is no electricity in here. And then there's like a little shelf there, and then some more storage. So very cool. Storage is not lacking here. And here, I believe this might be the toilet. So let's take a look here. Ah, yes. So in here is the toilet. There you go. Check that out. So, yep. So your standard Japanese toilet. Right, Natsumi's providing the light. So as we come in here, this is the laundry. This is where the washer would be, and the bath. So, very nice. Tub is good. And then this is the vanity. Right, so entering in from this is the kitchen. Oh, very nice. So here's your stovetop, sink. Refrigerator would probably go back here. The dishwasher in Japanese apartment is very rare. There's a bedroom here. And a very spacious closet here. And then this is another bedroom here. Plenty of light. And another closet. Yeah. So it's got plenty of light coming in, so that's good. I'm just not sure if, furniture that we want to get or queen size bed would fit in some of these rooms. So that's the only thing. So I think this space is nice.
Storage.
Yeah. All right, so this is apartment number 1. What do you guys think? Hopefully we get to take a look at some other ones before we have to make a decision, but yeah, so far, so good. All right, guys, so this is apartment number 2. It's actually in the same building, but it's on the 3rd floor rather than the 2nd floor. So let's take a look here. So this is the genkan. Again, lots of storage here. Not as much as in the other one. And here is more storage. Very nice. This is the toilet. You can see there. And then there's a way to look at the genkan. We get a full-length mirror here, which is really nice. Really nice. This is bedroom number 1. Lots of light, lots of neutral. Closet. A huge walk-in closet for Japan standards. Very nice. Here's where the washer goes. This is our vanity. Bath, shower, more storage above the washer. Another bedroom. We got this like vaulted ceiling here. kitchen. But there's definitely a lot of natural light coming in here.
Isn't it?
All right, so this was apartment number 2. Let me know what you think. So hopefully we get to see another one. All right, everybody. So today is day 2 of apartment hunting, and we are going to see a unit that is in Mipa, so which is not far from Shin, Yokohama. So let's go ahead and take a look. We'll see you at the property. All right, guys, so we are in the apartment that we're seeing today. So again, this is the same situation as yesterday. We do not have any lights because it's brand new. They just started showing these apartments. So let's go ahead and start with the Genkan, which is the entryway. So here's our Genkan. Okay. And then some storage here. As typical. I'm not going to open it up because you're probably not going to see it with the lights off. And off to the right, when you come in, is a bedroom. So we have some good light coming in here. Then here's a closet, nice sized closet. This would probably be the master bedroom because I think it's the biggest one. Here is our toilet. Coming over here, this is the vanity. Here's where your washing machine would go. And in here is the bath, the bath mirror, so that's that. And so coming in here, here's our kitchen, here's our sink, we have a stove, under sink storage. I don't think this place has a dishwasher like the other one did, but you know, that's fine. Here's your living area. This is a little bit bigger than the one that we looked at yesterday. There's a balcony. We can also go out that door there. So here's the other bedroom. Some good closet space there. Got the balcony there. Goes along the whole side. I think overall this space, the layout, it's a little more compact than the place that we saw yesterday, but I think the space is good.
Yeah, the bedrooms are bigger.
The bedrooms are bigger for sure.
And the balcony.
And the balcony.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah, we'll let you know how the rest of this hunt is going and which apartment we ultimately choose. Good morning, everybody. So it has been about 3 weeks since Natsumi and I started the apartment hunting process here in Yokohama, Japan, and we are happy to announce that we were approved for apartment number 3. Yes, so we were approved for this one. This was by far our favorite. As you can see, we've been laying some tape down. We're measuring some things out for couch, entertainment center, refrigerator, making sure that everything's going to fit properly. So yeah, if you are interested in seeing how we put this apartment together, please stay tuned. That'll be in the next upcoming video, and we'll see you in the next one.